Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to list your property for rent or for sale on Realtor. Realtor is one of the most popular online real estate marketplace in the United States. With millions of monthly visitors, by listing your property on Realtor, you can increase your chances of finding quickly and efficient customers. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. It could be like Opera, it could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave like me if you're a Mac user Safari or whatever browser you have on your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section, simply type realtor.com and here or hit the enter button. That should take you to the home screen or main screen of Realtor websites. And of course, here as you can see, to each their home, let's find a home that's perfect for you. Of course, in this websites, you'll be able to buy, rent, sell, pre-approval, just sold, or home value. And of course, you can enter an address here and you'll be able to see the homes there and the prices of it and if someone is willing to rent or something like that. And as you can see, you'll find a lot of informations if you scroll down. So of course, if you have an account, you can always click at login and here you'll have to enter your email, click on continue, then enter your password. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up and here you'll have to enter an email as an example. So let's just do this together. Here, let's just enter my email at gmail.com and click and continue. And as you can see here, we will have to enter a password. So let's just enter a password. Of course, this password, as you can see, please create a password that includes at least one lowercase characters, one uppercase character, a symbol, and a number. So here, this now follows all the instructions that they ask me to. And of course, if I click here, my password will be visible. So I'm not going to do this in the moment. And of course, you can check this option if you want them to send you the latest news about the real estate and tips to buy or sell properties. So simply click on create password. And once you click on it, so let's just wait. As you can see, I'm just going to save at the moment. So I don't have to keep logging in into my account always. When I get here, I'll simply have to use the browser or let the browser do that for me. So here, if I click at my account at the top right corner and click at account settings, as you can see, this will take me to my account right away. So here I can simply add a name, add an address, add phone number, change the profile picture. And here, as you can see, you will have to verify your email address. Simply click on verifying email address. And as you can see, almost done. Email sent to this email. So let me just go and open the email. And as you can see, I find this option. So click on verify your email. And they will take me to, as you can see, email address verified. So click on continue. So let me just close this and this. I don't need them anymore. So here, as we said, add name, address, phone number, and my email address is now verified. I can even change my password or reset it. I can get notifications if I want once a day in real time. If I don't want notifications, I can click on no thanks. Send me real estate and moving related update tips, promos, and news from Relator or Realtor, sorry, realtor.com and move ink. For me, I'm just going to do no because I don't want to. Of course, you can even change here the buyer profile if you are a buyer and collaborate, as you can see, buying or renting with someone else, search together, sharing favorite homes and comments only to can see. So you can start collaborating with another one if you want to start buying or renting with someone else. So once you fit all of this, of course, you'll be kind of good to go. So let's just go back to the home screen here. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is we would like to know how to list your property for rent on Realtor. So here we can simply click on rent as an example, rent option on the top options right here. As you can see here, you'll find the new listings for rent as an example if you want to rent or if you want to get a rent. But how about listing your rentals? You can also just simply go back to rent here and click on list your rentals. That will take you to this option. As you can see here, you'll be able to publish your listing to over a dozen top rental sites all at once if you want. Find qualified tenants without the hassle. Receive an average of 18 inquiries within 2 weeks and respond from one place. Of course, you can get more from your listing, step-by-step guidance, lead management, rent price suggestions. You can create a custom listing in minutes, pre-screen and message leads in one place, and schedule showing and get screen reports. So of course, click on list your rental as an example. Maybe I have a problem here, so let's try again. I still have the same problem. So here we are. I don't have this problem now. So simply that will take you to this option. Here, of course, if you have an account, you can simply click on login and you can log in with your account right away as an example and click on login. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up here and you can create your account as an example. If you are a landlord and you want to rent, you will have to choose this. If you are just looking to get a rent, you have to choose this. So simply here, fill the information as an example. It's going to be something like that. Email, it could be something like this as an example, ads.com. And here the password, let's just fill something like this. And I'm not a robot. Then, of course, the traffic slides will be those, verify, and sign up as landlord. So for here, I have to put my first name and last name. So something like this. And I'll have to re-enter the password. Sure, why not? Of course, make sure your password is not weak like me. Let's just do this and verify. Sign up. And now it should be all good. Should not take a lot of time. And as you can see, the screen is loading. So here I'll have to simply enter my phone number to start. For me, I'm not going to do that. So I'll have to click on logout. So for you, once you enter your number, they will take you to the option to enter the informations of your home, the pictures of your home, the address, and a lot of other stuff. And you will be able to click on submit after you provide the property details. Of course, you will have, this will include, as I said, the details of your property location, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and any special features on your home. And of course, you will also need to provide information about the monthly rent, security deposits, and lease terms. And of course, you'll have to add some photos and videos. Once you entered all the necessary information, it's time to add your photos and videos of your property. High quality photos and videos can make a huge difference on how quickly your property gets rented out. So it's important to take the time to get this right. You can upload photos and videos directly from your computer or mobile device, or you can hire a professional photographer or videographer to do it for you. Then simply review. So before you publish your listing, take some time to review all the information you've entered, make sure everything is accurate and up to date, and that you have included all the necessary details. Once you're satisfied, click on publish button. You'll find it once you enter your number and do all of those things that I said, all of those things that I said, and your listing will be live on Realtor. You'll be able to manage your listings and make updates necessary from your account's dashboard in here, and you'll be able to see it after you enter the same address right here. Then finally, it's important to promote your listing to maximize its visibility and increase your chance on finding a person that wants to rent your place. You can do this by sharing your listing on social media as an example, sending it to your email list, or even running targeted ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. The more people who see your listing, the more likely you are to find the perfect tenants for your property. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to list your property for rent on Realtor. By following these steps, you can create a high quality listing that will attract the high or the right tenants and get your property rented out quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. And I will see you in the next one.